Okay, hello boys and girls and moms and dads. Thanks for joining me today. This is 5th grade social studies from HeroesMart Academy, week number 26. Today we're going to do another review of the state of Texas, the geographical location of the state of Texas, geographical facts about the state of Texas, and specifically we're going to be talking about the climate and the vegetation around Texas. Now, according to the National Climatic Data Center, the state of Texas is mainly divided into 10 climate divisions. And division number 1 is typically known as the High Plains, and includes the Great Plains and some parts of Central Plains. Okay, the climate is described as continental or semi-arid savanna. All right. Now, division number 2 is known as low rolling plains, and includes most parts of the Great Plains. The climate is described as subtropical or semi-arid savanna as well. Division number 3 is going to be known as the cross timbers, and it includes most of the Central Plains and some parts of the coastal plains. Climate includes subtropical, subhumid, mixed savanna, and woodlands. Division number 4 is known as piney woods, and it includes the coastal plains. And the climate over there is going to be subtropical, humid, mixed evergreen, deciduous forest land. Division number 5 is known as the Trans-Pecos, and it includes mountains and basins. Climate is typically subtropical arid desert, except for the slightly wetter high desert mountainous areas. Division number 6 is going to be known as Edwards Plateau, and it includes the Great Plains region. The climate is pretty subtropical and semi-arid bushland and savanna. Division number 7 is known as Post-Oak Savanna, and it includes the coastal plains around Texas. And the climate over there is going to be subtropical, subhumid, mixed prairie, savanna, and woodlands. Division number 8 is known as the Gulf Coastal Plains, and it includes the coastal plains region of Texas. The climate is going to be subtropical, humid, marine prairies, and marshes. Division number 9 is known as the South Texas Plains, and it includes coastal plains region, and the climate over there is going to be subtropical and semi-arid bushlands. Division number 10 is known as the Lower Rio Grande Valley, and it includes the coastal plains. The climate is subtropical, subhumid, marine. Vegetations around Texas, according to the Texas Parks and Wildlife, there are 10 variations of Texas vegetation, right from piney wood to Gulf prairie marshes to post-oak savanna and blackland prairie and cross timbers, South Texas plains and Edwards Plateau and the rolling plains and the high plains and the Trans-Pecos. Please go ahead and click on this link so you can have a better graphic than what we have over there, but you are going to see the link right over there in your workbook. Alright, so go ahead and do that homework as well. Match these vegetation regions with landforms talked about that we discussed earlier. List the landform regions and identify some cities. So it's going to take you doing some research as well. So do some research about the cities of Texas. So when you know that maybe Houston is going to be somewhere here and Dallas is going to be a little bit to the north, well, so maybe Dallas is going to be, or Houston is going to be part of the South Texas Plains. That's what this entails. Alright, so Ecclesiastes chapter 1 and verse 9 says, "There's nothing new under the sun. What goes around comes around." So God recycles too, and that is an absolute fact. Thank you for joining me today, boys and girls. Remember, God cares about you, and so do we. Bye-bye.
I'll be your hero's buddy, and as you study with HeroesMart, I will be your friend.